Hello, everyone, and welcome to the North Georgia GMRS information and instructional video segment. I am WQIR 514 Atlanta 947. My name is Julie, and today we are going to talk about the new Kenwood NX1800 Mobile Radio from our sister company, Hobbitt Communications. These radios are a brand new lineup from Kenwood to the commercial market. They're programmed specifically for GMRS users when purchased from Hobbitt Communications. The standard code plug includes all of the North Georgia GMRS repeaters, simplex channels, repeaters from neighboring groups in the surrounding states, and a custom bank of repeater pairs with operator selectable tones. So if you're traveling out of the area and you're trying to find a repeater to use while traveling, no problem. Simply switch to the custom bank, select the tone, and key up. It's literally that simple. Customized programming is also available as an add-on if you wish to add additional repeaters or features to your radio for a reasonable fee. Also, before every radio is shipped, it is bench checked and tuned on our service monitor so that you can be rest assured that the radio you receive is ready to go with no problems. In addition to receiving a radio that is ready to go right out of the box, you are going to receive a 3-year manufacturer warranty from Kenwood as well. These radios operate in the 400 to 470 megahertz range, which makes them ideal for GMRS use. The standard programming that I mentioned previously is included, as well as programming them for wideband usage that we need in the GMRS spectrum. With the frequency range and the wideband available, this makes for the perfect UHF mobile radio for both GMRS and amateur users. So let's dive in and see what this comes with. So as we open the box, we can see the mobile radio comes with an owner's manual from Kenwood as well as a dealer programming supplement from Hobbitt Communications. Also, we can see here the radio itself, the microphone, mounting bracket, hardware, and power cord. Now let's go over all these buttons. Let's take it from the left to the right. We have at the far left our power button to turn the radio on and off. These left outer plus minus buttons will control your receive volume and turn the volume up and down respectively. The square button is for operator selectable tones, and we'll get back to how that works in just a minute. The S button turns the scan feature on and off, while the A button will add and remove channels from the scan list. The B button will scroll down through the zones, while the C button will scroll up through the zones. The red triangle, also known as auxiliary button, selects your squelch level if you push and hold it for 2 seconds. You can use the arrows to make adjustments. The right side arrow buttons here will scroll the channels up and down for the selected zone. In the dealer programming supplement, you also have a list of zones that are programmed in the radio, all having their respective high and low power banks shown here. The high power zones are set to 45 watts, while the low power zones are set to 5 watts. Now, for the custom repeater zones and the operator selectable tones, here's how this works. If we use the zone select arrow to get over to our custom zone, let's use the custom 550 repeater pair, and for the sake of explanation, let's say we want to use a 141.3 CTCSS tone for it. So we select that channel in the zone, then push and hold the square button, then we simply scroll till we get to the 141.3 tone, and the operator selectable tone is active. This will remain active as long as the radio is powered up. After the radio is turned off, the operator selectable tones will all be reset and turned off. The mobile is slightly different than the portable only because it gives us a visual indicator on the screen. If you notice, when I selected the tone, the little dash appeared towards the right side of the screen above one of the letters, telling us operator selectable tones is active. The scan function is pretty easy. We just simply cycle that on and off with the S button. You can see the upside down triangle on the display. This indicates that the current channel is in the scan list. If we wish to remove that channel from the scan list, we simply push the A button and you see the upside down triangle disappear. And that's it. It really is that easy. Hobbitt Communications has literally made this a plug and play. So what are you waiting for? Head on over to hobbittcommunications.com and order yours today. I look forward to hearing you on the air real soon. This is WQYR 514 Atlanta 947. Thanks for watching.